Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. The algorithm is in trouble. As long as you live in the EU, the European Union, the Digital Services Act has gone into effect. DSA. What's that? Well, it's effectively nerfing the algorithm, and I hate the algorithm. The algorithm, this programmatically controlled feed that controls what you see to optimize the time that you spend in any given app, potentially violating your privacy. But more than anything, I feel hurting creators. The relationship that I had built over time on this platform, that platform, the other platform, was effectively destroyed, upended with the advent of the algorithm. Because I could no longer just create content the way that you might want me to create content. I have to create it for something else, not someone else, something else. Because I'm now competing with a billion other creators, right? That's one problem. But more than anything, the idea that follow or subscribe means anything anymore, that's mildly antiquated. It doesn't mean anything. I don't care if you follow me. You're probably not going to see the things that I publish, even if you did, because of the algorithm. So good on the EU. You may disagree. Feel free. I'm interested in your opinion, how you feel, especially if you live in the EU. I doubt anything like this would pass here in the US. I wish it would, because I'm not a fan of the algorithm as a creator, because I felt like, and I still feel like, I have to optimize myself for a computer, which of course then, helps you behave the way that the app wants you to behave.